What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get unlimited FC mobile points absolutely free, safe, and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS, or even with your PC or any platform. Guys, it works amazing for all platforms. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called appsnake.com. You will find it easily and click on FC Mobile. So guys, it should load up and then we will enter our user ID. So guys, I have already copied mine. I will just make sure to paste it from my clipboard. We find this and there we go. I will just paste this, click continue, guys, and it will start searching for our user account. So you should get this user found. So there we go. Now we will import our points. There I will select currently the maximum, it's almost 1 million, click continue, and third step, load up, so API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So let's see what we'll get after this API connecting step. So nice, guys, API is connected, our user account is connected, and now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot. Let's see what we'll get. So nice, guys. Verification successful. Look at this. Our points and our UID is connected. So guys, before you get this verification successful message, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks because you're detected as a robot. So just complete 2 simple tasks. I have already done this. It's pretty simple and easy. And after you complete this, you will get verification successful. It's one-time verification. After you get this successful, just open your FC mobile. Let me open mine, guys, and let's see, are we actually getting our points? So let's just make sure that it actually works. So let's wait for this loading screen, guys, and then we'll see, are we actually getting it? Okay, so oh my god, guys, look at this. We're actually getting our FC points. I cannot believe that it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Appsnake.com was the only working one so far, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful. So that's pretty much it, guys, and see you in the next video.